GSTN has issued advisory regarding implementation of mandatory mentioning of HSN code in GSTR 1. As per notification number 78 bar 2020, Central Tax dated 15th October 2020, it has been made mandatory for taxpayers to report minimum 4-digit or 6-digit HSN code in Table 12 of Form GSTR 1 on the basis of their aggregate annual turnover in the preceding financial year. If the aggregate annual turnover in the preceding financial year is up to rupees 5 crores, then the taxpayer need to mention 4-digit HSN code compulsorily for B2B supplies and optional for B2C supplies. If the aggregate annual turnover in the preceding financial year is greater than rupees 5 crores, then the taxpayer need to mention 6-digit HSN code for B2B supplies as well as B2C supplies. These changes has been implemented in a phase-wise manner on GST portal. In phase 1, implementation has been made in two parts. In part 1, for the taxpayers having aggregate annual turnover of up to rupees 5 crores, they are required to mandatorily mention 2-digit HSN code for goods and services. Manual user entry is also allowed for entering HSN or description, and also warning or alert message is being displayed in case of incorrect entry of HSN code. Entering incorrect HSN code. In that case, warning or alert message is being displayed. However, taxpayers will be able to file GSTR 1 after manual entry. For taxpayers with aggregate annual turnover of more than rupees 5 crores, they are required to mandatorily mention 4-digit HSN code for goods and services. Here also manual user entry is allowed for HSN code or description, and warning or alert message will be displayed in case of incorrect HSN code. However, taxpayers will be able to file GSTR 1 after manual entry. In part 2, implementation for taxpayers with aggregate annual turnover of up to rupees 5 crores, the same as in part 1. As far as taxpayers with aggregate annual turnover of more than rupees 5 crores are concerned, in part 2, the taxpayer will have to mandatorily report 6-digit HSN code. No other changes are there. In phase 2, for taxpayers with aggregate annual turnover of up to rupees 5 crores, mandatory reporting of HSN code at 4-digit is being implemented. For taxpayers having aggregate turnover of more than rupees 5 crores, there is no change, the same as in phase 1 part 2 implementation. The same thing is applicable in phase 2 also. Phase 3 and phase 4 implementation will be communicated in due course. Part 1 and Part 2 of Phase 1 has already been implemented from 1st April 2022 and 1st August 2022 respectively, and it is currently live on GST portal. From 1st November 2022, Phase 2 will be implemented on GST portal, and the taxpayers are needed to report HSN code in Table 12 of Form GSTR 1. For taxpayers having aggregate annual turnover of up to rupees 5 crores, they are required to mandatorily report 4-digit HSN code. Manual entry of HSN code and description is permitted, and a warning or alert message will be displayed in case of incorrect HSN code. However, taxpayers will be able to file GSTR 1. For taxpayers with aggregate annual turnover of more than rupees 5 crores, there is no change. They have to mandatorily report 6-digit HSN code. There is no change. So, from 1st November 2022, Phase 2 will be implemented on GST portal, and taxpayers are required to mention 4-digit HSN code or 6-digit HSN code based on the aggregate annual turnover. If you like the video, please like, comment and share the video. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel. For further notifications, please press the bell icon. Thank you.